Hello everyone. Things are really getting messy with this Thabo Bester saga. The inmate that was with Thabo Bester in Mangaung Correctional Center is revealing more juicy details and it's becoming tricky. Apparently, Thabo Bester was engaged with a certain CEO while he was in prison. ENCA News didn't reveal or share the names of the people that were visiting Thabo Bester at that time. The inmate mentioned celebrities that were podcasts by serial rapist Thabo Bester. He even mentioned Simz Ngema. Simz Ngema has dug herself a hole after releasing that statement. Now there's more questions and all eyes are on her. In her statement, she said she only visited Bester to acquire money that was supposed to be paid by Bester, despite making it clear that her visit was merely business related. People have suspected that there could be something more in the story. Questions are like, how did she know that TK Motsepe was Thabo Bester? Has she opened any fraud case against this TK guy? How does she know that she wasn't the last one to visit Bester before he escaped? Her statement gave so much information, even specific dates and documents that she has to support her statement. People are also wondering if Simz didn't kill Tumi Masilela, her late husband, because 7 months later after Tumi was killed, she visited Thabo Bester. Others are speculating that she was dating Thabo Bester. The inmate also talked about Dr. Nandipha and said Makutumane was used by Thabo Bester. When asked about Thabo Bester if he was a social person, he said he was a loner and would spend 2 to 3 months in his cell conducting his businesses and was antisocial. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.